What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're doing good. This is Nyabuga 55, a real gentleman himself. So today, I'm here to talk about a given burning topic that people usually fear talking about. So there is this fight that has been going on between different religions. That's not between the Muslims, the Christians, the Buddhism, the Hinduism, all that. So you find that somebody is, for example, a Catholic, and then his or her friend is a Seventh-day Adventist. And now, because these two people usually worship in different churches, they develop hate towards each other. So this is not the right thing. And what happens is that this hate between these two people usually develops as a result of each of the two guys feeling like I'm right. I'm worshiping the right way compared to my other guy. But the reality is that the end goal is worshiping. That's a common supreme being. That's our God. So even if one is a Catholic, even if one is a Seventh-day Adventist, even if one is a Muslim, even if one is a Protestant, there should always remain peace between amongst us, because at the end of the day, we are still worshiping God. And now, the major part is that what usually happens is that individuals judge each other's way of worship. For example, you can find a Protestant judging maybe the Catholic way of worship, or you find a Seventh-day Adventist judging that's a Salvation Army Christian way of worship. So you see, there is no need of all this. We use the same Bible, and then when we go to church, we go there with an aim of worshiping and not judging the other religions on how they do things. This has been a major disease amongst the religions, and it's high time that it comes to an end. And above all, there is always freedom of worship, and everybody has the right to choose the kind of worship, the church that he or she feels like this is the church I'm supposed to attend. This is the church where if I worship, I feel that my problems have been half solved. So there's no need of judging each other. Instead, we should try as much as possible and collect the positive doings, the positive activities from the fellow churches, and then try as much as possible and then incorporate them in our daily activities. In fact, if you find yourself in a position where you are in a Protestant church and you are a Catholic, you should appreciate that opportunity, get to listen, collect what is important to you, and then head home and then preach it to people, the positive vibes, instead of the negative vibes of judging other religions. So that's what I had today. I know for some people they might have different opinions, but according to me, for the sake of peace, for the sake of peace amongst us human beings, let's always appreciate other religions, and let's try as much as possible and live peaceful amongst ourselves by avoiding as much as possible judging other churches. If you feel uncomfortable, change your environment and then keep worshiping your supreme being, that's God, instead of judging. So that's all for today. I appreciate so much for your time. Peace.